In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Google Sheets pivot table manually by using the Refresh button located conveniently in the toolbar or by simply pressing F5. Both methods are pretty straightforward and can be used depending on your preference or the specific steps needed in your current situation. Now, let's dive into an example to see how this works in a more practical scenario. Suppose you have recently added a new column, specifically column J, to your raw data file, and you're eager to have this new data reflected in your pivot table. So, how exactly do you go about doing this? It's quite simple, really, and you can achieve it in just a few steps. Start by going to your pivot table. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the table and keep an eye out for a pencil icon that appears. This icon indicates that you can edit the table. Clicking on it should open up the pivot editor on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic really happens. The pivot editor is your control center, providing a comprehensive view of your data field settings. Now, pay close attention to the range field displayed in the editor. Here, you'll notice that your pivot table is drawing data only from columns up to column 1. But since you want to include the newly added column J, you'll need to update this data range. To do this, click on the Range option, and a suggestion box will pop up, often with a smart suggestion of the range that might already include the new data. If this suggestion looks accurate and matches your desired range, you can go ahead and click on it. However, if it doesn't match or you want to ensure precision by doing it yourself, select the cells manually by dragging your cursor over them. Once you have included all the necessary data columns, confirm your selection by clicking OK. And just like that, your pivot table has been refreshed and updated. You have now successfully included column J and all its data into your table. You can proceed to work with your pivot table, adding any further modifications or exploring the insights it yields with your newly included data. By regularly updating your data range, you ensure that your analysis remains accurate and reflective of the most current information, enhancing your decision-making process. Whether you're analyzing sales figures, tracking budgets, or any other data-intensive project, maintaining updated data in your pivot tables is essential for clarity and precision. So, take a moment to refresh your pivot tables whenever you make data updates, and continue to enjoy a seamless and insightful data analysis experience.